Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And what else is a problem for hackers to get control of accounts, get control of a PC, get control of different devices? The next worst thing that happens is in the password department. Unfortunately, people, both business people, employees, and people at home using their accounts, Gmail, Hotmail, Facebook, and so on. Passwords. Passwords, the worst, second worst problem for the hacking and the taking control over of, accounts. And when I see somebody saying, oh, Facebook is so lame and trying to get back my hacked account. Well, why is it hacked in the first place? Before blaming Facebook, because yes, they are crappy and trying to help, but before blaming Facebook, start blaming yourself for not doing what is right. Either because you clicked on something, that's the first thing that I talked about in the first video, and you clicked on whatever link that said, hey, this is a picture of you, and you got, of course, a fake login page and you didn't realize. But the second other thing is so many weak passwords and reused passwords. When I talk about the website have been pawned, it's the first thing that you'll notice is you have a high chance, especially if you've registered to many websites over the years, you have a high chance of having one of those websites that has been breached in an attack. And what that means, it means that that password you used then, and if it's still the same today, and if it's the same everywhere, well, welcome to danger. You're going to lose control of your accounts. I still have the story of when I was doing my tech duties. A client of mine that was convinced, even though I told him that he should change it. He was convinced that 111111 is a safe password. Who would know that? And I told him that is one of the first things they try. These easy passwords, the 111111, that tell me you're on the top list of how many people use that. And he didn't believe. He was, he pays the tech guy, but doesn't want to follow the tech guy rules. And then one day, it came out, your account has been compromised. And why? Because bad passwords. So passwords are very important. And today, two-factor authentication is really key. Of course, what's coming up now is nice because the passkeys that a lot of websites now have, like, for example, Google, most of my accounts now go through a passkey, which means when I have a trusted device and I go to their account, it just asks me for my login credentials on my PC, my PIN or a password, or if you have a fingerprint reader, things like that, it will ask you for something to prove it's you. And there's a lot of websites in the future that won't even have passwords. But for the time being, be careful. Passwords need to be complex and not reused. And do not think that 111111 or ABC123 is safe. It's not. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.